Welcome back to Simply Dynamics and to this brief overview video of our ISV add-on app, SD Interface Banking. SD Interface Banking consists of a number of pre-built banking formats for credit transfer, direct debit and statement upload for leading Irish and UK banks. SD Interface Banking also allows for direct debit amount spread, allowing users to split the amount in the direct debit collection page and updating the transfer amount based on a spread factor. Here in the SD Interface Banking Role Centre, we can see a number of our predefined banking formats, and we're adding to these formats all the time. As per standard Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, you simply assign the pre-built banking formats for your relevant bank. In this example, we've assigned our pre-built AIB formats for direct debit, bank statement import and credit transfer. Let's take a quick look at using some of these predefined banking formats against a bank for collections, payments and statement imports. So we'll take a look at creating a small direct debit collection run in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central using an example of one of our pre-built banking formats. As per standard Dynamics 365 Business Central, we'll create a payment method type for direct debits and assign this direct debit type to the customers that we wish to flag as using the direct debit collections. And in our role centre we have a customers queue, and you can navigate in the customer list to the required customers that you want to assign as a direct debit collection customer, and you navigate to the Payments Fast tab, update the payments method code to the direct debit payment we had created, and here we'll also just set the partner type to company. And in our SD Interface Banking Role Centre, we have a direct debit accounts queue that is a flow field count of all the customers that have been assigned our payment method of direct debit. So the next step, as per standard Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, is in the customer card for all those customers that you wish to include in the direct debit collection run. Choose the customer bank, and for that bank, set up a direct debit mandate. And we can see we have an example of that set up here. And then returning once again to our SD Interface Banking Role Centre, we can choose to run a direct debit collections. So here we have an example of a direct debit collection run that I ran earlier. But as per standard Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, you just simply choose the Create Direct Debit Collection, and the Create Direct Debit Collection report viewer opens. And here you enter the values to create a direct debit collection, and in this example using one of our predefined banking formats. So we can just take a look at the small amount of sample transactions I created for this sample run. And when happy, you can choose to export the direct debit file to send to your bank. And here's an example of a direct debit export file using one of our predefined banking formats. With SD Interface Banking, you can use the predefined banking formats for the leading Irish and UK banks against a bank for collections, payments and statement import. And remember, if your bank isn't on our list, we're adding to our list all the time and happy to add your bank free of charge. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information on this or any of our other ISV products, please contact us on dynamicshop.com or simplyd.ie.